Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's pineapple, orange, carrot, lemon and ginger to make another healthy skin loving skin glow drink. Let's get started. I start by peeling my carrot. You can also use a scraper to do this. Next, I cut my carrot into small sizes to fit into my juicer. Yes, we are juicing this, but you can also do this with a blender. Carrot is great for skin and hair. It contains beta-carotene, which helps to improve the appearance of the skin, making it look smooth, clear, and young. Next, I'm cutting my ginger. Ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which is great for our skin, our body, our overall health. I'm actually using a large amount of it here. This will make my drink a bit spicy, which is actually what I want and how I want it. But you can reduce the quantity of ginger you need if you don't want it to be spicy like mine. Next, I go ahead to cut my orange. I peel and slice my orange into smaller chunks as well. Orange is great for skin. It reduces acne, brightens the skin, and gives it that youthful appearance. It has vitamin C as well to help with the collagen improvement in our skin. For some reason, my knife was not cooperating in this video, so I think I lost some juice in here. Okay, so I'm cutting half of lemon. I'm not using the large lemon, I'm using half of it. And next, I cut my pineapple. I'm using half of this medium-sized pineapple. Pineapple has great health benefit. It has an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. It also contains a large amount of vitamin C, which promotes collagen production. Pineapple is great for skin. It keeps it looking young and fresh. Regular consumption of this drink we are about to make will make your skin clear, smooth, and bright. Look at all of the amazing skin-loving fruit we are using. And the good thing is that it is not just for our skin, but for our overall health. This is great for overall immune boosting and general health. So I go ahead to juice all my fruits right away. The best way to enhance your skin is to take care of it from within. So having this kind of alternative healthy drink will keep your skin glowing, clear blemishes, acne, black hairs, give your skin that youthful look, keep it looking fresh, and also keep your overall health in check. So we are almost done. Our drink is ready. For some reason, my camera did not do justice to the beauty of this drink. This drink looks amazing actually, but my camera did not get the beauty of this drink at all. So here it is ready. Our drink is ready. Drink for a healthy body. Drink to keep your skin glowing non-stop. And also drink for a general immune boosting and healthy body. This drink, yes, will make your skin look and feel young, youthful, and also keep your overall health in check. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you liked it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye.